itself, they right at 26 for inside they witness the event. And inside the hall, we got a number of people who come for witness this particular law and see everything go on the way it's supposed to go. Mahmoud, you will listen to, remember say you listen to Radio Mercury on FM 92.0 as I talk to you from 26 Wall Street. Also, we witness the second law of the day. Inside the law hall, we get representatives from Sierra Leone Police, KPMG, Consumer Protection Agency. They all day here together with SLBC for make sure say they get a coverage of this particular law the way they go on. See where they bring the law to you in Alexander Tula, the African teacher, and I get the other guys who are going to introduce you later on as we move on with the law. Continue for stay tuned to Radio Mercury once more. We will bring the law to you in Alexander Tula, the African teacher, and they bring it to you live from 26 Wall Street, outside with Customer Care and Payment Center Day. But remember, I say very soon, we will change the location for them was there, so as we go for move over now Shaka Stephen Street with it was them. That will go for be another very important one. We call on 5 people from the audience, please, together with me, monitors them from KPMG, Consumer Protection Agency, and Sierra Leone Police for come forward and can verify the ball set so we go see say everything complete. We get 90 ball with display on the tray, and now at time for let me do the verification as we join Henry Camara for further verification.
This now the number one machine this way we get the balls in from 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 90.
90 balls, it confirms say that in display on the table, and the chief supervisor for this law is not as a person, but being all the way they will be inside the law. We get Joseph Boma, we inside inside this particular hall as the deputized manager John Kamara inside this particular department. We get Oliver Shillon, we inside this particular hall, and Musa Kebada, as we also get Alfred Socrates Bangura, we are the only Brazilian born based in Sierra Leone, we are the Cajoling officer of Mercury International. Salva, they take down the 90 ball for the forecast paper preparation, and Henry Kamara they behind the machine as the operator. Ibrahim Mansare, now one of the cameramen that we will get this afternoon, and we also get Janjo Brown, we inside behind another camera. The security personnel inside around for make sure that things go on the way they're supposed to go. And we get a handful of audience where they will be out for watch and see exactly how things and they happen inside this particular door. And then our witness them when I get inside this door for make sure say they see exactly how transparent this particular door be. Remember say not just the lotto, but we also get the offset betting, what we call football betting, where day where you go enjoy now inside the football. We will move on with the draw as I will count some more tips to you as how we move. We go with the first winning number. First winning number 1818. Second winning number single number 9. Third winning number single number 7. Fourth winning number 5050. The fifth and final winning number 3030. Already some man don't frown in face because nothing good not come out of the game at all. But I encourage you for patience and wait for see if it go appear inside the machine. Well, that now the lotto punch way some man can just read the first 5, you don't lose up already. We go over the results again for you just to join we either on radio or you just come inside the draw hall. Winning numbers 1818, single number 9, single number 7, 5050 and 3030. 1818, single number 9, single number 7, 5050, 3030. We get a total of 114. Total 114. That's for you to play the spreads. Spread of 5, 10, 25 and equal spread. If you play the spreads and then the total number for this draw is total 114. We move on with the 80 ball formation. 7-3, 73. 4-1, 41. 2-0, 20. 4-2, 42. 6-2, 62. 5-1, 51. Single number 1. 4-3, 43. 2-3, 23. 5-4, 54. 3-9, 39. 1-2, 12. Single number 8. 1-7, 17. 4-9, 49. 6-8, 68. 6-6, 66. 6-7, 67. 5-7, 57. 2-4, 24. 4-4, 44. 8-3, 83. 7-1, 71. 8-5, 85. 2-6, 26. 6-4, 64. 5-5, 55. Single number 6. 6-1, 61. 2-7, 27. 8-0, 80. 1-3, 13. 7-6, 76. 5-8, 58. 6-3, 63. 7-2, 72. 9-0, 90. 3-6, 36. 4-7, 47. 3-1, 31. 1-6, 16. Single number 4. Single number 5. 3-4, 34. 3-3, 33. 8-9, 89. 8-7, 87. 2-2, 22. 3-8, 38. 5-9, 59. 1-4, 14. 7-4, 74. 4-8, 48. Single number 2. 3-7, 37. 4-5, 45. 2-8, 28. 2-5, 25. 7-5, 75. 7-7, 77. 5-3, 53. 8-6, 86. Single number 3. 4-0, 40. 8-4, 84. 6-5, 65. 6-0, 60. 5-2, 52. 1-5, 15. 2-1, 21. 3-2, 32. 7-8, 78. 8-1, 81. 8-8, 88. 8-2, 82, 5 more to go. 7-9, 79. 7-0, 70. 4-6, 46, the final 2 for complete the 80 ball formation. 6-9, 69. And finally for complete the 80 ball formation. 1-9, 19. That's not the 80 ball formation we just done complete. But we'll go over the results again for the one that we just come and the one that we just tune in to Radio Mercury on FM 92.0. Winning numbers 1-8-18, single number 9, single number 7, 5-0-50 and 3-0-30. 1-8-18, single number 9, single number 7, 5-0-50 and 3-0-30. We're moving on now for the last 5 machine consolation balls. We're going to mark the end of the draw. But don't forget that the total is total 114. And now for the first machine number 2929. Second machine number 1111. Third machine number 3535. Fourth machine number 5656. The fifth and final machine number. The fifth and final machine number 1010. I go over the machine numbers again. 2929, 11, 35 35, 56 56, and 10 10. 29 11 35 56 10. That's not the machine numbers. Now for you will play over and under. These are the interpretation of the results. Winning numbers: under, 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 over, under. I go over them again. Under, 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 over, under. For the machine numbers, this is how the interpretation go like: under, 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 over, under, 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 over, under. For you to play odd and even, this is how the winning numbers then look like: even, odd, odd, even, 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 odd, odd, even, even. And the machine numbers: odd, 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 even, even, odd, 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 even, even. Now we call on supervisors then, Sierra Leone Police, KPMG, Consumer Protection Agency, SLBC, for letting all watch and see, say what we don't announce that the exact thing will happen. This is not the verification. Winning numbers: 1818, single number 9, single number 7, 5050, 3030, 18 9 7 50 30. Machine numbers: 29 29, 11 11, 35 35, 56 56, 10 10, 29 11 35 56 10. Confirm. Alright, Famulem, you were there out there. The witnesses say when I get inside, don't confirm, say everything free and fair, and there is nothing to worry about at all. But we don't get a number of calls. Now the radio, they ask about the mega mix. Inside the odd set, we now get mega mix again. We now get mega mix again. So please, let me just work with the fixtures what we get and see how it go about. But we not get anything like mega mix again. You want to listen to me on the radio, you don't get that information they clear now.